Listen to what's on. Music. Henry, is it your favourite?
What is pictures?
No, you need to take the thing off at the back. It's covering it.
Someone.
Lovely fizzy ones again. Oh, I like them. It's their favourite.
Look at this. Dad needs a drink.
Oh, they swell. Ooh. Well, it's plugged in. How can it be dead?
It's not dead.
It is, look.
It's not. I looked at the battery when I turned it over. It's almost fully charged. It's almost fully charged.
Look at them, Henry. Look,
Look, pretties.
No, look, I'm pressing the button, look. and
Put it down and watch these, please.
It's
Look,
dead.
we don't care.
Dad's recording it all.
Look, it's pretty. Whoa.
Oh, they're nice. Red fizzes.
I can do it next year. What's my lost?
It's not lost.
Do you know where?
I'll do 5 miles.
Oh dear.
Oh, look, green fizzes. Look, Henry, not looking. Pretties.
What's a sigma? What's a sigma? Why do they look like red birds? What's a sigma, bruh? Bro, what's the sigma?
What do you want about?
What's the sigma? They can't even be that long. It can't even go that long, Daddy.
How amazing do they look? Do you like them?
No, please.
Dad's gonna send it.
No.
This is going to be a good one. Whoosh.
Look.
Another.
Your phone.
Watch.
No.
Oh.
Halloween.
Ooh, fizzes. Mum's favourite.
Green.
Look at the wet things.
Yeah.
They're cool. They're like fading away.
Are these traffic lights?
want to go out there when the fireworks are due?
Stop kicking me, Henry, please.
But Daddy, would you want to go out there when the fireworks were due? I've gone out there when there were fireworks at Halloween.
We have sticks falling garden.
Do you?
Yep,
Actually.
actually.
Because of the fireworks.
Yep.
That's
That's pretties.
Oh, they are nice then. Dog friendly.
Yeah. It's a good job she's alright, look.
Yeah.
She's fine.
She's chilled.
She is chilled,
She's
mate.
chilling.
She is.
I found still there.
Oh,
How?
Oh, that's I like
that was good, that, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That's kind of like
Wow.
the stuff that you have on a pizza.
What?
This is traffic lights, look. We just had green, amber, red, green.
Yeah, and I like them. They're nice,
Yeah.
aren't they?
The green.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
Oh, some little ones I
That's
can't
good.
see.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
That's 'cause we're too close.
That's good.
Oh, not close enough.
That's good. That's good.
Okay.
That's good. Now it's gotten dark. That's good. That's good. That's good.
I'm coming for air yet.
He ain't sure up yet, has he?
Oh, they're nice, aren't they?
Oh, yeah. They're one of my favourites that dart all over after. Like that.
Yeah. Oh, no, I can't see. Oh, I can see a bit. That's pretty. Fizzy one.
Oh,
Wow.
yeah.
Really fizzy.
Yeah. Do you like them? Okay.
Alright, you.
Stop
Lula's
it.
getting a bit.
Give over.
Alright, Lulu.
Give it all up.
Hey, Mummy, open the lid.
Oh, boom.
Fizzes.
Hey, Mummy, open the lid.
Now I'm watching the
Open
fireworks.
this
already.
lid. Open the lid. Put your finger inside. Take your finger out. Close the lid. Thank you. Clean my toilet.
Alright, watch this.
Stop being silly. They are lovely, aren't they?
Oh, nice.
Look, Lulu likes me. Baby ducky. Lulu likes me. Don't you?
Good job.
Yeah. What choice has she got?
You're a nice ducky.
Oh.
Oh, that's
They're fizzy pops. I'm calling the fizzy ones fizzy pops.
Okay.
They're fizzy pops, aren't they?
Yeah, they're fizzy pops. Fizzy pops. Fizzy pops. Fizzy pops. Fizzy pops. Fizzy pops.
What are them?
Fizzy pops.
They're not fizzy pops.
They are.
Can't be.
Fizzy pops.
Fizzy, aren't
They're big fizzy pops. Fizzy pops. Fizzy pops. Fizzy pops. Fizzy pops.
Are you glad we turned the TV off? Yeah. Oh.
they? Ooh, very nice.
Hey, Daddy, guess what?
What? Did I win?
Why did you
Oh,
think
we
it
like them ones, don't we?
My beautiful baby doggy.
Them. I like them, me.
Yeah.
My phone! My phone!
Yeah, it's lighting
let
up.
it carry on for a bit.
Don't sit on me. Just kidding, you can sit on me.
Leave it. It's only on 4%.
I don't remember it making that noise.
They do it when they turn on. It's affecting. It's affecting Brian's light.
Video on my phone.
That's the best thing to do with video, it. Then you can take photographs from your video. Oh yeah. Yeah, we like them. Mm.
See, plenty of pretties that are not loud, isn't there?
Wow. Oh yeah. Look at that. Ooh. Oh yeah.
Firework. Fizzies.
Very fizzy, aren't they?
Oh yeah.
More fizzies.
Super fizzy.
Fizzies.
This must be getting towards end.
Some money back into this.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
As daft as out all year. This is something that our money is spent well on.
Yeah, it's always a good one, isn't it? Oh, sideshow mom.
We do some fireworks.
They're amazing. Look at them.
No way, we don't need to, because this is such a...
I like them.
I like that.
Boom.
Look, it's a circle.
They're as good as well. Seems to be more of them. Like that. Boom. Yeah. Yeah. they're good, aren't they? It's like daylight outside.
Wait, is that it?
Yeah,
Yeah, that was brilliant.
that was
wasn't it?
fantastic. We love it, don't we?
Why are you still videoing?
Because you have to sign off by saying that was Maltby Manor firework display. Fan-bloody-tastic. Here we go. The box is still there. Look. Yay!